Reference error is again derived from the exception class, and this is raised when a weak reference proxy is used to access an attribute of the referent after it has been garbage collected. So here what that means is, let's say we have a class magic, and inside of this we have the init method and then we have the delete method. So when we create an instance for the class magic with a value of 1 in M, and then we create a weak reference using the weakref.proxy to this M, and then we set the value of M to none. Then when we try to access X from the M proxy, that is going to throw an error which says reference error, because we have already deleted using this call to the delete method __ delete. So essentially what this is saying is, you're trying to access something that was deleted, then it that was deleted, such as we see in this case, uh, where the instance is there, but then this was garbage collected after this method was run.